We're on our way to see the balloons, aren't we? Oh, there's Maddie. Edgewise with her. Okay, Lauren. Should we see who can spot the balloons first? Remember when you saw the moon last night first? Let's see who can spot for the balloons. So you look up in the sky in a few minutes, okay, when we get closer. And then if you see a balloon, a big balloon in the air, you tell us, okay? We'll see. Oh yeah, you too, over there. Yeah, got your toes. Grandma's got your socks in her purse. All right. So.
There you go. Look at what Lauren's got on her hand. A big green thing. What's it doing? Hey.
She wants down.
She wants down. Put her down then.
She wants you.
She don't want me. Look at that. That's a big green thing. Should we put it on the ground? There she is on the ground.
Okay, there's Lauren and Grandpa. They're waiting. They're going to be next in line to go up the wall. Anyway, Lauren wants to do it. Grandpa didn't think she probably would want to, but she says she does. So anyway, she's in line to go up after these other kids are done. So we'll see.
Okay, Lauren is getting ready to try the wall, bless her. She insisted she wanted to do it. Come on, Lauren.
There you go. It's okay, you can't fall.
Now the belt is caught on there. Oh, good job, Lauren.
Excuse me. Can you show him how can he do it that he does not know? There you go.
Whoa, look at Lauren. Good job, Lauren. Look at her go. Go on, Lauren. Go on, Lauren. Lauren, you're fine.
Okay, let go, I'll get you. It's okay. See, you can't fall.
You come. Well, it ended in tears. You were okay, Lauren? It was okay, you can't fall.
Here, come here.
She'll help you get that off.
Come here.
Hey, bud, you already got up.
What you got there, Lauren? Is that frozen ice? Mmm.
Is it good? Grandma might have to.
Let Grandma have a taste. Share with Grandma. Let Grandma have a taste.
Grandma have a taste?
Grab.
Come on.
Isn't that delicious?
Let Grandpa have a taste. That is nice. Okay, now Lauren is drawing something. Hey, what do you want? Hey, what do you want then? What do you want, you little girl? Hey? Do you want to get out of there? I don't think so. Hey.
Okay. Supper's finished. Supper's finished, and the balloons didn't get to come out today because we have thunderstorms everywhere and lightning, and so we drove out there for a second time today, but no balloons. Anyway, so now they're going to finish the Nebraska game that have been recorded on TV. So, just tell everybody hi. Tell everybody hi. See, Lauren's got her lucky red and white on, don't you, Lauren? But Maddie doesn't. But I think Nebraska will win anyway. Alright, Grandma's gonna go clean up the kitchen. You guys watch the game. Be careful. Don't bang heads.